Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So let's start list. Introduction to list. List is an ordered sequence. List is immutable. So what is mutable? Means which can be changed further. Lists are group of elements of mixed data types. What are the data types? Integer, float, string, tuple, or even in another list. And list elements are enclosed in square brackets and they are separated by commas. Means let's see an example, then you will understand it quick. Okay, yeah. So here is an example. I have taken one list which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and now I am printing list 1. So let's run. Yeah, we got the list. Okay, let's see with alphabets and characters. Let list 2 is equals to, in square brackets, A, E, I, O. So these are the elements I have taken in list 2. Let's print list 2. List 2. So let's see what the output we get. Yeah, see, we have got the output A, E, I, O, U. So this is about the list. Means lists are enclosed in square brackets and they are separated by commas. Okay, in this second example A, E, I, O, U, we have to enclose in double quotation or single quotation because strings are enclosed in quotations. Okay, so next one is, next topic is accessing elements in list. So in this we have said that lists are mutable. Okay, how to access elements in list? We can access element in list using index methods. So what are index methods? These are used to access elements. Index value starts from 0 and ends to the length of the list. Index value starts from 0, otherwise we can start index value from -1. So here let's consider one example so you can understand it clearly. So let me go to my ideally file. Okay, so list 3, I'm sorry, yeah, list 3 is equals to, so any elements we can take inside square brackets. Okay, let me take 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and close the bracket. Now we want 3 from the list 3. How can we get? First consider one variable, lst is equals to list 3 of 0 because the first element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the place of 3 we are having index value 0. So now we have to print lst. Yeah, okay. Let's see if we get output. See, we got the value 3. Okay, great. Next topic, lists are mutable. As I said already, lists are mutable means which can be changed after being created. So I'm going to tell you an example. See here, list 1 is equals to red, green, blue, orange. Now we have printed list 1. Then we get output red, green, blue, orange. Now we have to change the fourth element of the list 1, orange. So orange index value is 0, 1, 2, 3. The index value of orange is 3. So now we are printing list 1 of 3 is equals to black. Then we get black in place of orange. Okay, let me show you this example. List 4 is equals to red, green, blue and orange. Okay, so this is list 4. Now we have to print list 4. And now we have to change the fourth element. So how we will change this fourth element? Let me show you. So yeah, we have to change orange to black. So how can we change? Let me show you. Yeah, let's print this. So we get, in place of orange we get black. Okay, next. So the next topic is list operations. List has 4 main operations: concatenation, repetition, membership, slicing. So I'm not going to show you this example in my ideally. I would like if you try it. So let me explain you just by this page. Here we have to consider one list, list 1, and another list, list 2. Then we have to print list 1 plus list 2. Then we get the output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly with this also we can do with strings like red, green, blue and magenta, yellow, black, can, and we have to add this both lists and then we get the output. Here we are having major rule that they should be of same data type. If they are of different data types, then we can't add two lists. Let's see one example. List 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3 and str1 is equals to A, B, C. So we can't add list 1 plus str1 because they both are of different data type. Then we get type error. Okay, the next topic is repetition. So what is repetitions? When we want a variables for multiple times, let us consider list 1 is equals to hello. And if we want hello for 4 times, we have to write print list 1 into 4. Here there is a typing mistake. You have to use here print statement in bracket. Here you have to use print statement. Then you can get the output hello, hello, hello and hello. So what is membership operation? If we want to find that the member is inside the list or not, then we use membership operation. So let us consider list 1 is equals to red, green, blue. Then we have to find that green in list 1. If it is there, then we get the output, otherwise we don't get. Similarly, here also we have to use print statement. And here also. If the member is present, then it gives the output true, otherwise it gives the false. So next operation is slicing. Means breaking it into portions. Specific portion we have to access, then we use slicing method. Okay, syntax for slicing. What are the syntax for slicing? First we have to write list name, start, stop and step value. Step means how many steps we have to take, start from where we have to start and stop where we have to end it. Start value starts from 0 and stop values are from length of list minus 1. Step means increment between index values. Next. Yeah, slicing is done. Next is transversing a list. We can access each elements of list or transfers a list using by using for loop or while loop we can transfers elements of list. Similarly, let's see an example. Here we have taken list 1 is equals to red, green, blue, black, and then we have considered this list 1 in a variable name item. Now we are printing an item, so we get these values like red, green, blue, black. Similarly, we can do this with while loop. You should try this in ideally file. So the next topic about list is methods, list methods or bulletin functions. Using these various methods like length, list, append, extend, insert, count, and many more, we can make our list more useful, and this is very much useful. Okay, I am going to tell you some of the important one. Length returns the length of the list passed as an argument. So if you want to know that in a list how many elements are there, then we use the length method. Okay, next main. Okay, now append method. When we have to add anything inside a list, then we use append method. Let us consider list 1 is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. And in list 1, we have to append a letter 50, element 50. Then how can we append? By using the append function. In function, we have to write the whatever value we want to append in the list. Then we get the list 1 value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Similarly, we can append a list inside a list. Next main operation is next operation is count. It is important. We have to find that a particular element returns the number of times, means how many times it has been repeated. So list 1 is equals to 10, 20, 10, 40, 10. We have to find that 10 how many times it has been inside the list. Then here we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 tens we are having, and 90, no 90, so 0. Next function. We can remove elements from a list using the remove function. Next one is, and we can find the index values also, like list 1 is equals to 10, 20, 30, 20, 40. Now we want the index value of 20. So where is the index value? Here 20. So 0, 1. Here we are having two 20s, but it considers the first element. Next, reverse. If we want our list to be reversed, list 1 is 34, 66, 12, 89, 28, 99. By using the reverse function, our list get reversed. Okay. So the next function is minimum, maximum and sum. These are mainly used in mathematics problem. Minimum, it will give the smallest element of the list. Maximum, it will give the largest element of the list. And sum, it returns the sum of the list. So list 1, we have taken 34, 12, 63, 39, 92 and 44. So what is minimum in list 1? 12. So it gives the value 12. And what is the maximum in list 1? 92. So we get the output 90. Means if we want to find the largest and the smallest value in a particular list, then we can use the function minimum and maximum. Sum means it will add all the elements of the list and we get the output. Yeah, next one is nested list. When a list appears, and elements of another list is called nested. Means in a list we are having multiple lists, then we call it as nested list. Okay, so list 1 is 1 2 AC 6 7 8 4 9. So in a list we are having another list, then it is called as nested list. So if we want to find a list 1 of index 4 values, then we use this 0 1 2 3 4. This is the value for index 4. Then we get the output 6 7 8. Okay, the next topic is copying a list or cloning a list. So what is copying or cloning? Means list 1 is 1 2 3. If we want another list, list 2 is equals to list 1, means elements of list 1 will be in list 2. So both will have same elements. The statement list 2 is equals to list 1 does not create a new list. Means it will not create a list, but it just will not create a new list, rather it makes list 2 actually become Alice of list 1. Means they both are same. If changes are made in list 1, the changes will be made automatically in list 2. Okay, what is aliasing? Means giving a new name to an existing list. When we give a new name, then we call it as an Alice. The new name is called Alice name. So what is that? X is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now X is this values, but what we are representing, Y is equals to X, means X values will be in Y. When we run the output, then we get the following result of program. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, comment, share as much as you can. I hope you understand everything about this. Bye bye. See you.